Welcome to this session on formulas in Excel 2016. In Excel, formulas are written differently from how you write them in math. An Excel formula always starts with an equal sign, and it can contain values, cell references, functions, and operators. Values, the numbers 987 and 36.7, and the words computer and high are examples of string values. Cell references C3, B2 to B5, A2 to D8, B to E, and 4 to 10 are examples of cell references. Functions sum, average, minimum, maximum, and count are examples of functions. Operators are given in the last line. Thus, a formula in Excel is a sequence of values, cell references, functions, and/or operators in a cell that produces a new value from existing values. This module covers the following concepts of formulas in Excel 2016. Cell and range references. Using formulas. Error results. Auto sum feature. Functions library. A reference identifies a cell or a range of cells in a worksheet and tells Excel where to look for the values or data you want to use in a formula. Let us consider a few examples. To enter a formula, select a cell and enter the formula in the cell or in the formula bar. When you finish entering the formula and click Enter, the cell will show the formula result and not the formula itself. However, you see the formula in the formula bar when the cell is selected. To understand how a formula can be entered in the formula bar, let us calculate the sum of the numbers in cells B2, C2, and D2 as shown in the worksheets as follows. Click the cell in which you want to put the formula, which in this case is E2. The cell reference E2 appears in the name box. Type the equal sign. You can type it either in the cell or in the formula bar. What you type will appear in both places automatically. Continue typing B2 plus C2 plus D2 as shown. Notice the different color borders that appear around these cells. Click or press Enter. Cell E2 will display the formula result. This will change automatically if data changes in cells B2, C2, or D2. An easier method of adding a cell reference to a formula is to click on the cell instead of typing the cell address. This method is called pointing. After typing equal, do not type B2. Click on cell B2 instead. A moving dashed border called a marquee will appear around B2. The status bar will display the status of point. Now type plus and click on cell C2. Then type plus and click on cell D2. Cell E2 will now have the formula B2 plus C2 plus D2. Press Enter to see the value.